In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Shopify order cannot be shipped to your location. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Shopify admin page, just right here. So first I'm going to tell you why sometimes your Shopify order cannot be shipped to your location. This is because you haven't set up a rate for your shipping. So let's set up a rate for shipping. So click on the settings icon in the lower left corner of the screen. And from here, select and click shipping and delivery. So here in shipping, just click here for rates, general. Now just click here on add rate. Now you want to add a rate. So you can add the price. If you add zero, it will be free, and it still depends on you if you want a price. Now simply click on done. So tap here free. Also add a rate here for so just use here flat rate and just rate name. So let's say international, and you can add a price right here. Let's say 200 and click on done. So after doing this, just click on save in the upper right corner of the screen and you're all set. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.